Okay, hello guys. My name is Anwar. Today I'm gonna be here presenting you the Unit 6A review, and we're gonna be going over this. Okay. All right. So first equation, x to the fifth power minus 3x to the third power plus 2. Okay. So now we're gonna grab our calculator. Remember, if you don't have a calculator, you can also use the Desmos. We're gonna go to new document, no for unsaved, number 2 for graph, and now we're gonna put in x to the fifth power minus 3x to the third power plus 2. All right, now that we have our graph, we're gonna sketch it out. Okay, so it goes somewhat like this. All right, just like that, okay. All right, now what we're gonna do, we're gonna write down our local, our global, our increasing, and our decreasing. Okay. Okay, now remember, your local is just gonna be these and these. Your global, it would be the absolute lowest or highest point. So for example, our global, if it was to come like this and come to a stopping point, this would be our global right there. But we don't have one, so there's no minimum global and there's no maximum global because it's infinity. They continue to go. So our local maximum and our local minimum. Local minimum and local max. Okay, so now let's look for those. So whenever you have your calculator, in order to trace it, we're gonna go menu 5 1. And now we're gonna come to the highest local point, which gets us 4. You look at the y, not the x. So for the maximum local, it will be 4.9. And now we have to get our minimum. And now we go down. You'll see it'll say minimum right there. You remember to look at the y. It'll be negative 0.898. Okay, so now that we have our locals, we're finished. There's no more. Now our globals, like I said, if the graphic is negative infinity or positive infinity, that's how you know there's no global. So no global, and now we're increasing. So that's where does the graph increase? So right here, if you look at it, it goes from negative infinity all the way to this point. So we have to find what point that is. And the point is, you look at the y. So it's negative infinity to 4.9. And now there's another, now we're increasing.
Decreasing.
Huh?
Now we're decreasing.
I mean, no?
Yeah.
Oh, wait, yeah, we're decreasing, I'm sorry. Okay, so now that we're decreasing, this point right here is 4.9.
See you later. Bye-bye. Thank you.
And now we have to come and check what point this is. Remember, it doesn't stop right here. We have to go to where it hits an absolute stop. It just curves, so we come all the way over here, and that's our point where it stops. So we go all the way down to our minimum, and the point is negative 0.89. Remember, you're looking at the y. Negative 0.898. Okay, so now that's 1. And now it's increasing again. So that would mean that it's going from negative 0.898. So negative 0.898 to positive infinity, because it goes on continuously. There's no stop. And I hope this helped you. And thank you for watching.